Hello and welcome to this course on the SEO Blueprint, how to easily rank #1 on Google. In this course, you're going to learn the SEO ranking factors that Google loves to see to make sure that you're ranking at the very top of the first page for your most profitable keywords. Then we're going to go into the keyword research foundations, where I show you how to do proper research for all your most profitable keywords. Then we're going to go into the on-page SEO foundations. I'm going to show you exactly how to properly optimize all of your content on your website, how to build out your website structure, and how to do the proper on-page SEO optimization. Then we're going to jump into the off-page SEO foundations, where I'm going to show you exactly where to get the most highest quality links coming back to your site. And then I'm going to show you how to rank a national website as well as a local website, and also how to rank your website in the maps. And then finally, I'm going to show you an e-commerce and Shopify SEO strategy, and then a case study to show you exactly how we got one of our Shopify stores to the very top of the first page of Google. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side.